In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make nice 3D text effect in Canva. First, open Canva and then go to text, add heading. Now go to font. Now you can choose any of font. Increase the size. Go to color. Choose any of color. Now go to effect. Choose outline and choose the color as font. Now go to text and duplicate it. Now go to effect. Choose shadow. Decrease the offense value 30 and increase the direction value 30. Increase the blurriness and make it 30 and make transparency 100%. Now choose the color as you want. So I am going to choose pink color. And that's it. This is how you can make nice 3D text effect in Canva. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.